that, lads. There's our bloody channel sponsor. I'll go hire it. I don't know about you boys, but I think you might be able to hear Jackson, and you might be able to hear what car we're in. Oh gee whizzikers. We're on a bit of a side mission. We're off to Tambo. Midweek sprints, here we go.
For a drive.
Yeah, boys, what's going on? Welcome back to the bloody vlog. Sunday, after the works do, not even hungover. Didn't even have that much beer, to be honest, but bloody good night. Shout out to BRYMAD once again. Holy heck. But boys, enough jibber jabber. We've got Gold Coast's world famous Golf R. Say you, bossy. Say you, bossy boy. Jeez, is that bossy, bro? Is that bossy? The OGs would remember that from the first ever vlog we done at Nebo, and I was yelling to old bossy boy from old Mabs' GR, is that you, bossy? I'll insert a clip here. But how good is this, boys? Holy heck. Murdered out Golf 8R. We've just finished the wiper delete. Full bloody murdered out, eh? Holy heck. We've got to do these today, maybe. We're going to do this one today, maybe. We're chucking in some bloody spark plugs. Shout out to NGK. Holy heck. But boys, let you on a little secret here. Stocky boy battery. Holy hecker. Wowzers. Blaze performance intake. DO88. Probably see it in there. Charge pipes. Oh, you can see the other one there. A DO88 intercooler, and all done by your boy Rob Doggy from the Rob Mob from RJ Motorsports. Bloody fantastic, boys. Not bad. Full stage 1, I think this is, maybe even a stage 2. Stage 2, yeah. He's running just a crispy 270 kilowatts of pure manual 7.5 Golf R destroying power. Holy heck. E85, he says, has got no hope against the bossy boy T's.
Nah.
You like the E8R, mate? All tuned up?
Very nice.
Yeah. Who's it tuned by? You want to throw him a cheeky plug?
Shout out to EcoTune.
And of course, boys, we've already cracked the money, so I'm sorry I couldn't do a little bit of a crack test, but everyone bloody stay with me. A money a day keeps that bloody pesky doctor away. Cheers, lads. Holy! That would wake you up stiff and ready on a Sunday. Holy heck. Alrighty, boys, here we go. We've got our director over in the corner here. What up, boys? But old bossy boy done. So front grille murdered out, side badges murdered out, and then of course spark plugs done and dusted, all tightened up. We had to bloody tighten up that downpipe bolt as well. Bloody hell. Man, is this tint legal? I don't know about you lads, but I can't see in there. I can't see in there.
Just looks like paint.
Just looks like paint. Holy heck.
Howdy.
Oh, how are you?
What's going on?
All right, well, show us this cold start, mate. Oh, sounds like an RS3. Oh. Wow. Oh, wow. Cool. That's sick. That's loud as. Well, boys, Mr. Matt is back again. Cheeky little start, stop, delete. Nice and easy done and dusted. And we also had to reset the tyre pressure monitors. Due to him having an aftermarket head unit, unfortunately they obviously take it out and you can't use the factory one that Volkswagen give you. So yeah, just did the old cheeky reset through VCDS and looking good. Hopefully you can hear me because we've gone back to one of our old mic setups. But looking pretty schmick now. He's on the BC cores, which we installed last week or the week before, one of the two. So he's pretty stoked, looking pretty schmicko. Not bad. Whoosh, boys. Well, next customer's here. Already done and dusted. Cam follower check. We just replaced the 3 high pressure fuel pump bolts and the seal. Essentially, it was probably almost maybe about 10,000 k's old. Not even that. So yeah, no need, but looking pretty magnificent. Full Maxton kit all the way around. Rocking the old work Kawamis. Not bad. Little 6R there, boys. Not bad. And just like that, old Lenny dog is bloody off. Done and dusted on the diagnose for the Range Rover. Zebra. Well, the boys are here. The old Mad Dog. Oh, wow. Okay.
What's cracking?
What's cracking, boys? Got the GR out today, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weekend car.
Just a weekend car? Yeah, nice. And old Zach's here as well. And Chantel. Whoosh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Well, Mab's got the best parking, small car only. Old classic Mabby. Not bad, boys, not bad. That's my ramen there, boys. Oh, yeah, got spicy chicken. There's old Zachy boy's big bowl almost gone. Old Jackson got the old spicy chicken. Spicy. Did you get there, Mitchie?
I can't even remember.
I'm too busy taking pictures of it.
Yeah, he's too busy, yeah. 17 takes, eh, Mitch?
No, more like 14.
Jack's got her one, she's got a little platter of delicious meals. There's old Mab down the end. There's old Jordan. Yep, and there's Connor. Chantel. What'd you get, Chantel?
Same as Mitch. Chicken and bonito.
Oh, yep. And old Zachy boy, old birthday boy. Ooh. Oh, Booger boy's old car. There's another Mark 6 GDI over there too.
Not Robbie James.
The old Booger boy car. Old birthday boy, what was the rating out of 5 there for the old ramen spot?
I'll give it a 4.
Give it a 4.
Yeah, it's not pork broth and pork, so
Yeah.
couldn't be a 5 for me.
Old Wild GTI. How are we today, mate?
I'm good, mate. I'm
Yeah, good.
How are you?
What do you rate the old ramen out of 5 there, bros?
Ramen out of 5.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not a big ramen person, but
Oh yeah.
you know they tend to brew their stuff in dried scallops, so it had a bit of a seafoody taste. For
Oh
me,
okay, yeah, yeah,
which isn't my style, but
yeah.
I don't know. I'd probably give it like a 3.5.
3.5. All right,
Yeah,
bloody
yeah.
good, bloody good. And old King GR over here. Rating out of 5 for your dinner there, mate. What do you reckon?
Out of 5.
Yeah.
Don't know. Probably 3.
3.3. What? Why the deduction?
3.3. That's an
Yeah.
add-on.
Oh, it's an add-on.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
so why the
Well,
add-on?
it was going to be a 3, but 3.3.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
Good ambience.
Oh,
Good vibe. Yeah. Extra
The
point
serenity.
for it.
Good
yeah,
serenity.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Bro, that's kinky, yeah.
Oh, whoa. Little trend line there, mate. Or an R line. Not a trend line, sorry. Oh, up the barra. Ew.
Always close with a cane like the Undertaker. Always